on our 2021 300 306X 6X CX. I'm gonna start marking this screw. I'm gonna start marking everything so I can put back everything the way it was. This is live. I'm not gonna edit that. I'm just gonna, record this so you guys go through this. This is the clutch. This is the pressure plate. Correct. And I'm gonna start removing this thing and see what happens. Let me get probably a 12 millimeter socket. Tack down. My 12 at the other side. This is a 13, it's the same. I'm gonna go get me my 12 millimeters. I'll be back. I'm gonna do it with this swivel. I'm gonna put some oil on the inside gun, Then I'm gonna start. This is my 12. This is my 12 millimeters swivel. All right, so I'm going to get me a nail gun. Yeah, air hose. I'm going to start taking down this clutch. All right. I'm gonna need to bring this closer to me. All right. I'm gonna do it the other way around. So I can use this is the gearbox. I'm gonna put it away from all the parts. All right. And then I'm going to use this air hose. So I'll give you my back. This thing. I don't know if it got removed. It didn't move. Okay, buddies. Let me take this down. Okay, let me see if everything is good. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna start taking down this. I'm gonna start for kind of dusty, This thing's got a lot of dust in it. Probably, we don't know what happened with this clutch yet. All we know is that it smells like burn. Oh, I wanted to explain something to you guys before I call up dealer and order the clutch, and the dealer didn't send the tool to focus the clutch, to center the clutch. So I got this universal. You see, I got this universal tool for $40, $37, somebody in there, Amazon. So now, see, I gotta figure out which of these are universals going in. I guess I'm gonna have to measure it out when I finish. Because there is different type of things. Like this one here. This one here is more like good for me. This fat one. I don't know why this thing brings some like all rings in there. I don't know why. I have to check it out. But then I need to see the pilot. The pilot. Because this thing, I think it's going more deeper. You see, I'm gonna do this. Oh, but then this thing expand right here. Okay, pretty good. So you don't, the clutch doesn't move. The disc doesn't move. Look how it expand. That's what it's for. So once it's there, you have this tool, go inside there. Once it's there, you expand this thing like that. See, you expand it like so. But that's after when we put the new one in there. My air compressor. Sorry for the noise. So I'm gonna continue to take out this clutch, this bracket plate, right? I just wanted to let you see this special universal tool. The dealer didn't sell you. He doesn't sell you the guide to center the tool, right? To center the clutch. He can give you that. Alright, so let me make sure I mark this right here. I don't want to put it. Already marked. Did you see the mark there? Let me look for my marker. I don't know where to put it. Could be here. Another. I don't know. You know how you do these things. I think they're lost. I'm going to mark it, right? Market. Well, you got this thing without the top. So I'm gonna mark it with this right here. So I know. What I'm doing, All right, so let's mark again. And I see some screws here. We got washers. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have this one here. I'm smart. I'll put this here so you don't fall into my head. See how it moves? See how it moves? It's like it's attached to to the it's like it's attached to the pressure plate. Should be able to take it off like so. This wait a minute. What the heck? This is the pressure plate. I need a little large guy. How about this? How about this? You know, I'm just gonna do this. This thing is freaking coming apart. Look, it does all the dust. What the heck? This is really destroyed. So I'm gonna need another. I'm gonna need another crowbar. Maybe with this, but you gotta be careful. This thing might fall into your head. So we gotta put this, and we put this little screw here, just to be safe, you know. So if this thing fall, it can give you a little cut, you know. Nice cut in the face, so I have to be cautious about it. I don't want to go in there. Let me see. Wait. Bend down. That thing goes into my head. That's not good. So you gotta be careful, okay? Okay. I'm gonna make a little few turns here. Wow. Jeez. Put another one. I got a little difficult because my fingers kind of like, they just took out the stitches. Well, now we'll retain it already. But I don't know. Oh, it looks good to my time doing this. Spring here, where the spring coming from? I wanna put it there, just in case it's coming from. So maybe if I go like this. Look at the whole car is moving and this thing don't want to get out of there. Why? So I need to take off another screw. I don't know. No. No. Oh. Maybe yes. What the heck? Maybe one more. It's got one more. What? It's got one more, guys. Somebody goes. It's right there. Okay, so now it should be able to come out, but I don't see it. It's coming out. There you go. Oh, I have to pick up this washer, because then you get lost. That's the problem. And I have this other screw like for safe. See? Yeah. And then I'm gonna take it down, holding the box and the pressure plate. See, guys? Oh, this thing is burned. Look at that. Can you see that? Look, this thing is destroyed. Oh. Now we're facing another thing right here. Right? Now, I'm gonna put this right here on the floor. Alright? Look at my hands. So the material of the clutch. So I got the mark here. This is the pressure, the flywheel I don't know, man. Look, this flywheel need to come out. I need to go. Need to. I don't know. It's gonna need to. A new one's gonna. I think it's gonna need a new one, guys. Surprise, surprise. Now we're gonna finish the job because the this plate, the flywheel, is either need to be reserved. You know, no, this thing is not good. Look, it got damaged completely. Oh. Now we're gonna finish the job today. We have the kit already. You know, we had the kit. Sorry, guys. We have the kit, but we can finish it without this part. And now, this thing needs to come out. This is a pro too. We need another screw. Let me see. Oh no. Let me see something. Let me see something here. No, this is. What size subject is this? Yeah. No. Man, all the clutch is messed up in there. Look at all this. This is not good. I don't know, this thing might be dangerous for your health. Have to watch out. Let me go get that 11 because the 12 doesn't go good right there. Está jalando, ¿ves? Okay, so I was thinking to myself. And my partner said, oh, this thing got to be marked. And so and forth and so. You know, of course it's got to be marked. What is this? Well, guys, we're facing a problem here. We're facing a problem here. Okay, this is remote. We're gonna need a torque. It's not it's a torque we need here. Look, you can see it here. The torque. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To remove this plate. Yeah. We need a torque. And we're gonna play with this a little bit with the universals. Where is that thing now? This is crazy. Look, I'm gonna try this. You know, I'm not gonna finish this video today because I'm gonna show you you see how, see right there? I think that's the center, this one here. It goes right there, boom. But we need the fat. Well, this thing gets fat when you go like this. Yes, to say. Okay, you see this? It's got to go this way. Then just go here. This is the clutch, right? This is the center, and this is the clutch. See that clutch right there? How will it go? So if I go like this, it's gonna get expand. It's gonna expand right there. See, now it's centered. See, now that I got centered there, let me see something. Yeah, this is beautiful. You see, now it got centered there. When I bring my new clutch and my new pressure plate, right? Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. This thing is broken. Look. You see this? The pressure plate got broken in pieces. See? It broke. Completely broke. Wow. What happened with this car? Who drive this car? So what happened is right there, right? With my mark right there. Right there. Right there, right? This is, let's say this is the new one, right? Then I come with my pressure plate right here. Ta, 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 ta. That's it. I got the plate this replaced. I'm worried about this dusty thing. I want to check if that thing is freaking not good for your health, you know? Anyways, guys, I'm going to stop. I cannot finish this job today. What? Look at my face. I cannot finish this job today, obviously, because I don't have the flywheel. I'm gonna have to leave it until tomorrow. Call the dealer, call the customer first. You know, call the customer and tell him the bad news. I guess I'm going to send him this video. So it's what a better explanation than this, right? A video to my customer. All right, so obviously it's gonna be more labor involved in this. I'm gonna have to charge some more, you know, and some more parts. So, I guess, guys, that's it, right? I'm going to do, you know, you're smart people. Pretty much you know what's going on here, and you're gonna, I'm gonna video when I put the new parts in there. I'm gonna do a second video, but I'm gonna have to order the part, you know. So that was it, but you know. So this clutch only in the dealer sell it, and the pressure plate with the slave. It costs around $1,300, $1,400. So I guess well, it's a chain that we're gonna finish it today. I'm gonna get all the tools together, the screws, so you don't get messed up, you know. I know one fell on the floor, it's right here, and the washer is here. So I'm gonna put all my screws, you know, so they don't get lost, you know. So I'm missing one washer here, right there. All right. Yeah, I don't want nobody to come in. And my other co-workers come and say, "Oh, I need a screw. This is right on," and then they take it, you know. That's not good. It used to happen with another shop, but not this one. This all right. And guess you know, the washers here. I gotta make sure all the washers, you know, these washers. Sorry for the light. Let me take it up. I gotta make sure these washers are in the screws. You know, so tomorrow or next day I'll come back to this car. It's not a problem, you know, with the screws. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And 9. But number 9 is missing a watcher, spacer. So what do you win? Interesting. I'm gonna have to put it in this little box. Let me see. Well, this sensor came in. I counted again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Apparently, the previous mechanic that put this clutch was missing one and he didn't care to look for it or something, but I'll find one tomorrow. So my job can be warranted, you know what I mean? Alright, so I guess guys that's it. Any comments, any questions, let me know. We're here to help you. Like this video if you like it, and sorry. So we see you next time.